Bomarkirialla Waterfall. Beautiful and picturesque Bomarkirialla waterfalls located at Vandagahamada village of Matale district. When you travel to High Mist Riverstone or Pittura Plain from Matale to Ilukkumuru Road via Rathutta, you can easily touch and love to this marvelous and natural water dance. Bomaragamuwa Dola comes from Knuckles Range and it makes 3 little falls at Vadagahamada. There's a long suspension bridge on this stream to go to Vilangahavila rural village. The greenish forest, suspension bridge and this fall make a marvelous and picturesque scenery to local and foreign tourists. It's 9 kilometers from Rathutta.